Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use or set your leverage in TradeLocker. And we can do this simply by first of all checking our charts, because right now we just created our account. I'm using GateFX and we created our account with a 1 to 500 leverage. So right now, if you can see on this chart, you can find here the leverage where you can trade with. So this is an example that you first need to check. If you go right here to our GateFX account, we can change the leverage or decide which leverage we want to use by clicking on Open Demo Account, select your TradeLocker demo, then we do Continue, then select right here the 1 to 500 or 1 to 1000, what you like. Let's do 1 to 1000. And then right now select your initial balance, 50K, and then we do Continue. Then right now, if we click here on Continue, we created our account and we can use that account to trade with leverage. So now if we go to TradeLocker, we created the 1 to 1000 after logging in to our TradeLocker account, and then we can trade with the leverage. But what you also can do, that is the second way, is if you go or search on Google for TradeLocker leverage, you will find here adjust leverage. Then what you need to do is you need to log in with your name and your email address, and then after that you can log in and then you can change your leverage from here. So these are the two ways how you can set or use your leverage on TradeLocker. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. If you have questions, please comment them below, and then I want you to thank you for watching to this video. So have a wonderful day and ciao.